Bali, ito yung printer head ng Epson L3210. Compatible din to sa ibang similar model. Yan. Ito, gagamit tayo ng cleaning solution. LNC yung brand. Then, ito yung iingatan ninyo. Iingatan yung mabasa ang logic board. Yan, yung kulay green. Then, etong port kung saan kinakabit yung flex wire. Yung pagbaklas ng scanner unit, side cover, removal, meron tayong video dyan, chapter 1. Then, yung pag-alis ng printer head, no, yung pag-disassembly, pakibalikan na lang kung gusto nyong panoodin. Para meron kayong guide sa pagbaklas o disassembly ng printer head at nung scanner unit. Pag yan nabasa ng cleaning solution, maaaring sirain niya yung board ng inyong printer. Then, yung pressure, no, paglagay ng cleaning solution, pwedeng makasira din. Kasi meron yung division sa loob, no. Etong apat na kulay na yan, pag pumutok yun, yung kulay black, minsan mapupunta na dyan sa kulay yellow. Pag nagsirit ka dyan, lalabas sa kabilang nozzle. Yan. Pag ganun ang nangyari, wala nang pag-asa yung printer head. Sira na yon. Yan. Salyado yan. Ito, gumamit ako nito para malinis yung gilid. Kapal ng dumi. Yan. Yan, kuha tayo ng cleaning solution. Then, ilagay lang natin dito sa block. Sa block muna. Then, dahan-dahan. Matigas na. Matigas na yung block. Huwag pilitin pag matigas. Yung yellow. Meron pa.
Find my way to you. Yeah. Oh, I want to find my way to you. people who say that they won't when they will. I could use some motivation.
Yan, pag matigas na matigas yan, 50-50 na ma-recover to. Merong nabibili na machine, no, para maano to, kaya lang medyo mahal yung machine na yon, hindi na kaya ng basta ganito lang. Dapat lulusot lahat yan. Wala, di lumusot. Minsan pagka pinilit nyo yan, tatalsik lang yan, no. Yan, ito iingatan ninyo. Tapos meron pa tayong isang printer head. Dapat lulusot lahat. Lulusot, tsaka wag mabasa itong logic board. Kasi pwedeng lumusot lahat, kaya lang pag nabasa yan, pwedeng mag-short. Dapat tuyong-tuyo yan pag ikinabit ninyo dun sa printer. So, try natin itong black. Konti lang. Yun. Lumulusot. Yan. So, okay yan. Wag masyadong i-pressure, no? Yan. Okay yung black. Yan. Okay yung black. Then, yung susunod naman, yun, okay din yung yellow.
There's so many people who say that they won't when they will. I could use some motivation, but I know how I feel. Faster than you like.
Then yung susunod naman,
It's over and that's the end. Faster than you like. It's over and that's the end.
oh, may lumabas din, no?
Over and that's the end. I want
Yun, may lumabas din.
to find my way to you.
Then, yung susunod naman, yung huli.
To find my
So, meron din.
to you.
So, goods tong
Gotta find my way to make it.
printer head na to.
I don't need a reason
Yan.
to say what I want when it's real.
Yan, okay to.
If I see you acting patient,
Yan, ingatan mabasa yung
you
logic
never
board.
know your last minute. Faster than you like.
Yan, linisin.
And that's the end.
Then, linisin, no? Yung gilid lang. Siguradong tiyong-tiyo siya. Tapos, linisin na rin to. Siguraduhin lang na hindi nabasa yung logic board. Yan. Bago lang uli. I-visit nyo po yung store tab, no, yung affiliate store tab ng Bentech dito sa channel na to. Kung bibili kayo ng printer, computer, consumables, at iba pang tech gadget, meron pong YouTube exclusive voucher. So, ibig sabihin po may discount. Halimbawa po yung printer, meron pong 1,800 na less or minsan mas mataas pa depende sa ibibigay na voucher. Then, recommended ko sa cellphone nyo i-view. Then, mareredirect kayo sa Shopee app. Hanapin nyo na lang kung magkano yung voucher na maliles.
I could use some motivation, but I know how I feel. Faster